Welcome to this video. Like many other videos in my channel, I am going to provide trial reset in my video for this particular software, USB Set Demo. See, in Windows by default, we have this safe remove option whenever we insert a pen drive. But by installing third-party software, this USB Safety Remove, the advantage is if some or other file is already in use from the external USB or hard disk, it won't eject immediately, and it won't show the details also, which particular file is open and all. So this particular software, third-party application, has option to close those handles, and eject the USB or USB pen drive or flash drive or hard disk or anything. So let's coming to the topic. So I'm not providing you any unlimited cache. Instead, what I am providing you is to use the trial version for 30 days. At the end of 30 days, you can again change the system data so that you can use on day one again. So this is a 30 days process. If you are not able to do, if you are not willing to do this process, you can skip this video and you can find some other videos in the internet for types of this. Or else for genuinity, like many other comments I am getting, you can simply purchase the software and use that one. The cost is also less when compared to the advantages to this product. If you are using for long run and if you don't want to do this process every 30 days, you can simply purchase the license. So let's coming to this USB pen drive. I launched it, right? So when you launch this, like other softwares, you don't have any about option or settings to option menu to check the trial period, whether it is ended or not. But what I can do is I will show you for demonstration in this particular system directly. It's a VM for testing purpose I have created. I am installing for our users. Once you install this, you can simply, I'm not launching this. I am creating, applying one more registry related to licensing, and I will show you why what is that registry is for. Just apply this. So I am deleting this. Disconnecting the network present. So if you launch this USB pen drive now, just wait for a second. You should get a prompt here. That's what I'm checking for. Ideally, you should get a prompt like this. Let me delete that and launch again. Yeah, you see, I'm getting a 21 days trial, something like this. Right? So now it is showing a 21 days license. I applied the previous registries related to this one, not more than that. So even if I remove this registry and launch again, still it will show the 21 days of understood. Because something from internet, I think they are grabbing the details and related to the system when we want to get this trial version. So the solution to that is install the same software on another machine. Understood? Unlike this machine, or you can create in a different user also. Users, let's say some password never express. Just check that we are having 21 days trial period in one user. And some of the viewers asked me, why don't I edit the videos and add more effects and all to the video and all. Basically, I don't want to invest that much time on this recording or YouTube effects and all, because I am not earning anything from this YouTube videos. Just for the helping, I am just providing the solutions like this, and I am doing a pretty much investment of time on finding these cracks. So please don't bother about this quality and all. Just see whether you want the solution or not in the videos. And if someone want to help for free uh, on editing these videos, they can approach me. I can provide you the content so that you can modify the content and re-upload in the channel. Present I logged into the second user. You see now here it is showing 30 days for other user. So just export this key. I can give as second July 2021. Yeah. Now you can apply the same registry on the first user also, where it is showing 21 days. Let's try that. So to the users who can't create a local user on their machine for generating this registry for every 30 days, they can create in a VMs like this, or they can create on some other machine and simply copy here also. So let me exit this and apply this. Yeah, now let me launch again. And let's see whether it will show 30 days or not. Like other videos, there is no about tab here. About tab is there, but it won't show the information how many days of trial version is left. Only when that pop-up comes, we are able to see that. So I don't want to add more minutes to the video, so I'm just stopping here. But you understood the approach, right? You can just try that, and if you are having any problem, or if you are able to achieve this approach on your machine, it's happy to provide the comments here. Or if you have any different solution, you can provide that also. Thanks for watching this video.